I'm here at Kangpopi Community Hall, paying a last tribute to one of our dear late brother Haukulal Singh Sit, who was killed by the Tangkhul-led armed terrorists, the NSCN-IM and JUF, while he was working in a paddy field along with his wife. What baffles the Kuki community is that despite the progress that was made by the NIA and its counterpart, and with the progress on the 10th by arresting 2 suspect individuals to be in the case of the 6 Naga killed, what pertains to the action of the Naga community? Is it the right thing to fight for justice over the 6 lost civilians, or is it the right thing to accept what is made by the government? And this is high time. The government of India as well as the state contains this secessionist armed militia from tearing down the entire region. And it's also appeal to the Naga community that we have been very lenient, we have been very patient, and your idea of Naga supremacy and your wanton action to control the government or to bear the higher moral ground is not justified. You are not looking for justice, but you are trying to evict the entire Kuki community, predominantly in the area that's occupied by you. And this is wrong, and this should be a testament and for the Indian government to understand this. How is it possible that Govazang, a day before combing operation was carried out to flush out any elements from occurring, how is it possible that this armed terrorist could run amok even at this height of this tension? And Sir Khemchand ji, I think this is high time you stop appeasing one community over the other by letting the armed terrorists run amok to destabilize the entire region.